Welcome back to my channel. Today we will look into some house interior designs. I am so excited to take you inside this architectural gem today. Welcome home. From the moment you step through the striking red entry door, you're greeted by a sense of light, space, and modern elegance. Moving into the kitchen, notice the sophisticated contrast of deep walnut cabinetry against pristine white quartz surfaces. This space is a host's dream, featuring a massive waterfall island, professional-grade dual ovens, and a hidden walk-in pantry. Under-cabinet lighting highlights the marble backsplash, while the open sightlines ensure you're always part of the conversation. The transition from the kitchen to the dining area is effortless. Above the table, a minimalist industrial chandelier anchors the room, but the real star is the view. These expansive, black-framed windows create a glasshouse effect, blurring the line between the refined interior and the manicured gardens outside. In the living room, the design language shifts toward comfort. The floor-to-ceiling stone fireplace serves as a textural centerpiece, flanked by custom built-ins that provide both storage and a gallery for your personal treasures. Tucked away for maximum privacy is the home office. It features a curated library wall and a glass bubble chandelier that adds a touch of mid-century modern flair. It's a space designed for deep focus, illuminated by soft, natural light. Ascending the staircase with its sleek iron railing, we find a versatile second-story loft. Whether used as a secondary lounge, a media hub, or a library, this transition space keeps the upper floor feeling open and connected. The primary suite is a masterclass in tranquility. The vaulted ceilings and oversized windows frame the evergreen treetops, creating the sensation of a luxury treehouse. It's a neutral, calming palette designed to reset the mind at the end of a long day. The ensuite bath mirrors the luxury of a world-class spa. From the deep soaking tub to the oversized walk-in shower with designer tile work, every detail is focused on wellness. The floating double vanity with matte black fixtures adds a final touch of contemporary edge. As we take one final look at the seamless flow of the upper floor and the sun-drenched living areas below, it's clear that this home was built for a modern lifestyle, one that values light, luxury, and the beauty of the natural world. This is more than a house, it is a masterpiece of modern living. The journey begins with a bold architectural choice, a vibrant crimson pivot door that opens into a light-filled gallery. Immediately, your eye is drawn, a masterclass in modern cabinetry. Notice the rich, dark walnut wood grain that runs vertically to add height, contrasted perfectly against the thick, mitered edge quartz of the central island. Professional-grade stainless steel appliances are integrated seamlessly, while the matte black hardware and minimalist faucet provide a sharp, contemporary edge. It's a kitchen designed for both the serious chef and the social host. The living room is centered around a stunning floor-to-ceiling fireplace. The oversized horizontal tiles give the room a grounded, organic feel, while the flush-mount gas hearth offers warmth without clutter. Integrated shelving to the left provides a dedicated space for media and decor, keeping the room's profile sleek and intentional. Tucked away for quiet contemplation, the home office is a sanctuary of productivity. It features a stunning glass globe bubble chandelier and a built-in library wall with glass front cabinets to showcase your collection. The large window is perfectly positioned to provide a refreshing view of the garden during the workday. As we move upstairs, the open-tread staircase and iron railings maintain the home's airy transparency. The landing opens into a versatile loft, an ideal third space for a morning yoga session or a secondary media lounge. The white oak floors continue throughout, reflecting the natural light that pours in from every angle. The primary bedroom is a masterclass in soft modern design. Defined by a dramatic four-poster bed and a neutral, serene palette, the room feels like an extension of the sky. The expansive windows overlook the pine canopy, offering a peaceful, private retreat that feels miles away from the outside world. The primary bath is a dedicated wellness suite. It features a deep-soaking freestanding tub and a frameless glass rainfall shower with floor-to-ceiling subway tile. The floating double vanity, finished in matching walnut, provides a clean, clutter-free aesthetic, complemented by sleek, rounded mirrors and designer sconce lighting. Looking back over the upper balcony, you see the true genius of the floor plan, a home that feels expansive yet intimate. Every window is a frame, and every room is a destination. This is modern living at its most refined, where every detail has been curated for a life of comfort and effortless style.